Hello and welcome back. Let's learn how to dress up good in this video. Let's go. That's a t-shirt. T-shirts are for hot weather and they are quite light to wear. This one is a full sleeve shirt and it's quite comfortable. This is a hoodie, a shirt or top with a cap. That's a jacket and it looks great when keeps us warm in cold weather. This one is a short necker. Now what do we call this one? A trouser. She's wearing socks and these will keep her toes warm. These shoes will surely keep him comfortable. Always pick the right size for everything, so you don't have problems later. You can also wear a hat to look cool, or a warm cap if it's too cold out there. Dresses for winters, for summers, or just about your mood. Dressing up casually. Wearing your sportswear. Or choosing a good party wear for an event. There is huge collection of dresses. Make sure to wear clean clothes and store them properly.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.